2025 COD Cares Gift of Giving just blew us away. The generosity of people on campus, our community, the students have come together to do so much more than we ever expected. We've done off-campus activities with Operation Support Our Troops. We've stuffed stockings for troops that are deployed. We went to Humanitarian Service Project to do some warehouse work. We went to Midwest Shelter for Homeless Veterans to decorate homes. We decorated Helping Hand, which is a special needs classroom. And on campus, we did a real fun project called Family Game Night Bags. Those will go out to families that have become homeless and are going into a shelter. With our athletes, our student athletes, they helped pack 200 sack lunches for clients and children who are in the interim housing at DuPage Pads. And we had students, faculty, and staff bringing more donations than we've ever had. We have more than 1,000 coats to give to Metropolitan Family Services. We have bags and bags of food that are going out off to the community. People have just stepped up and it blows us away. It is absolutely amazing how generous people are.
I think the efforts is incredible. It's a reflection of our collective efforts towards a bigger cause. And this is my first time, so I'm very impressed with the turnout and active participation of student, faculty, staff, and administrators, and also the participation of community-based organizations.
I think it's really important that COD participates in things like this. We try to be active in the community in many ways at the college, and I think this is just a great way to contribute and also support all the community.
I feel more connected, especially because it's my community, and growing up it was really hard. I lived off of SNAP benefits and my family didn't really have much, and I just feel like it's nice to give back to what I wish I had growing up.
Often it's easy to forget about those in need or look the other way and say that's not my problem. But just knowing that so many people care, especially COD, and the numerous ways they've helped us, it's just so reassuring and it gives me hope and it inspires me to do more.
We're grateful to the COD team that came out and made this a festive winter wonderland. We're really excited for you all to be here. Partnership in our community is so important. Central to our mission is the connection that we have with the people that we're serving. And this holiday party, it really brings a lot of joy to our community, and that piece of it just makes their impact today so much more valuable.